We're going to continue working through the packet and working through some more problems. Again, they're just showing me some different pictures of increasing and then decreasing and then stays the same. We just got done talking about those. Good reminders. When we have a picture like this, we can divide it up into sections and then label it. So that's what we're going to be doing below here. We're going to divide those into sections. Notice how it's increasing, how it stays the same. This one increases and then it decreases. So let's go ahead and do that to the couple of graphs we have right here. We're going to divide each graph into sections, and then we're going to label each part. Well, I'll go ahead and divide them up into sections first. There, it's flat, then it goes down, then it goes flat, and then it goes back up. Well, let's see here. This is, we're supposed to label it as increasing, decreasing, or the same. This one's going down, so it has to be decreasing. This one's the same. And then this one is increasing. Next picture, we're going to break it up into graphs again. And I'm just doing it all the breaks. So let's look at this one. We have, this part is definitely decreasing. I'm going to abbreviate that, DEC. This is remaining the same. It's a flat line. This part again is going down, so I'll abbreviate that, decreasing. And then this last part is slowly increasing, so that's INC, increasing. Let's look at this next question. Which graph above shows the air temperature fell steadily, leveled off, fell again, and then increased slightly? So we're looking for something that, first of all, it fell steadily. This one's staying the same. This one fell steadily. That's true. It leveled off. Yes. It fell off again and then increased slightly. So it's definitely number 2. As I bring up the next page, we can look at this again. At the top, what we're talking about is continuous and discrete. A continuous graph, okay, is time, temperature, or distance. So anything that has time, temperature, and distance. And we would use that with lines. We'll use lines to describe those. Discrete are people, animals, or objects. So they're very distinct points. There's no fractional amounts that are going to be used. And so we're going to use points, and those are discrete. This first situation, it says, sketch a graph of each situation. Tell whether the graph is continuous or discrete. Okay, so this first one says the heart rate of someone walking, then running, then resting. Well, let's think about what our heart does when we walk. When we walk, and we walk at a good pace, okay, our heart rate is going to slightly increase. It's going to slightly increase. And it was at some sort of heart rate to begin with, so we're just showing a slight increase. Then, as we start running, it's going to increase quicker. And then as we start to rest, it would start to come down. So again, this is just a sketch. It doesn't have to be exact. But this is definitely a continuous graph. And you can see that with the line. This next picture is talking about selling ice cream. So it's an item. This would definitely be a discrete one. It says that each ice cream costs $6. She has 6 ice creams to sell. So the first time she sells an ice cream, she has $1.50. So you can see me mark 1 ice cream, $1.50. 2 ice creams sell, that'd be $3. 3 ice creams, every time going up, $1.50. 4 would be $6. 5, $7.50. And 6, $9. And we'll go ahead and write discrete here. It's definitely a discrete graph.